Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp link to your YouTube channel. So first open your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you have. Next, in this video, I am already in the YouTube Studio, but if you don't know where is it, just go to YouTube. Next, click on your profile, and then there will be drop down options there. Click Go YouTube Studio, and it will show you just like this in your screen. Next, go to the customization. It's in the left side. Next, proceed to basic info. And the easiest way for you to add your WhatsApp link is to put it in the description box. So just like what I'm doing here, I am typing WhatsApp link to let the viewers know that this is my WhatsApp link. On the other tab that I already have, you just need to search how to have your own WhatsApp link. So just look it down there, and as you can see, create your own link. You just need to copy paste that. Next, you need to replace the XXX with your numbers. Basically, that is all, guys. You just need to publish that, and there you go. Your YouTube channel is now connected to your WhatsApp link. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorials.